I just turned 50, and I don't know how that happened, but here we are, 5 decades. I don't know how many I've got left, so I figured I should probably share some adventures with my kids and get outside more while I still am mobile. It's kind of an interesting year to get up to 50 because you're realizing, well, I don't know how many years I've got left, so I better take advantage of the time where I'm still mobile and healthy enough to dig out and do this. So life is amazing, snow is amazing, the wind is amazing. Just to get away from things is amazing. He drives me crazy, but I also love him to death. He's such a puppy still, but he's a good friend and turning into a really good dog, hopefully long term. He's a crazy dog. But anyhow, this is the Campsites channel, and I've got 2 sister channels that are going to be going, Camp Sounds and Camp Smells. So I was actually born without a sense of smell, so I've never smelled anything in my entire life, which is ironic because you as the viewer cannot smell what I'm cooking either. So let's not smell this together, but hopefully it'll look good and taste good. And then Camp Sounds is just going to be, like, I've got a camera set up right now, I'm just letting that record for a couple hours, just like a white noise channel. And Camp Smells will be a little bit of an ASMR cooking channel, and Campsites will just be me talking to the camera and telling about my adventures. My brother's going to be joining me, and hopefully my kids from time to time, his kids, as we get out and cook and adventure outside. So I hope you'll join us here and enjoy the content. I think we found a good place to set up a little place to cook. That's pretty good. Doesn't look very good, but it is pretty good. My neighbor made me this bread. He shows up. He's like 12 years old or something. He shows up. Here's some bread I cooked for you. So I took him a steak that was cooked on a hot skillet, so it was actually cooked all the way perfect. It just made him laugh that he showed up with a steak. I thought it was awesome that he showed up with bread. So. And here we are, eating his bread on the Campsites channel. Woo-hoo. So when I was a scout, we were making chili. You know, we were doing the patrol method thing where everybody was helping cook and everything. My turn to cook. Well, there was a whole bunch of moths flying around. And I kept grabbing them and throwing them in the chili. I was 15, I was stupid. I'm like, protein. I didn't realize all the things that can be in bugs that can hurt you, so that was dumb, but everybody ate it and it was good, so. Yeah, don't take cooking advice from somebody who puts moths in his food. That's probably not the best idea. Man, it gets cold fast when it's 30 degrees out. Steak grease eggs. Don't look very pretty, but they're good.